everyone, I'm Sarah G, your happy worker. Today, I decided to chat with you more up close and personal instead of beach work. At the same time, it will be my introduction video. I know, I should have done that long ago, but better late than never. Here we are. It was 2 months ago that I decided to start my YouTube channel, which was really unusual thing for me. I was the least likely person who will do the YouTube kind of thing because I hadn't even had an Instagram account. No Facebook, no Twitter, TikToks, any of the kind of things. Never. I'm a book nerd, especially sticking to the old style paper books. As you see in my video, just can't get out of the door without carrying my book. Actually, books are my life. I'm writing books as a profession. 10 books have been published in South Korea. Now I'm working on my 11th. Whenever people whip out their phone and do the phone things, I whip out my book and read. Wherever I go, I read. So, what happened 2 months ago? You guessed it. It was all about COVID-19. I was deeply depressed. I didn't know how to react to the huge black cloud covering over the world and casting shadow over our lives. I just wanted to run away, hide away from the reality. I was so scared that I closed my eyes and ears. I didn't watch TV, I didn't listen to the radio, didn't even open my websites. But I couldn't hide away from anything. It was everywhere. The fear was in the air. And suddenly, all the doors started to close. The only door open for us was supermarkets and the beaches. I had no other choice. So one day, I strolled along the Palm Beach area and I filmed the beaches with my iPhone very casually, about 10 seconds, shared it with my 2 close friends. One was in New York, one was in South Korea, Seoul. And by then, both areas was locked down. They loved the video and they were like, "How lucky you are! You are locked in a paradise. Why don't you share it with more people? Start YouTube. Don't be so selfish." It took me courage, but I made up my mind to deliver the beautiful, refreshing Gold Coast beaches to somebody who are in quarantine, self-isolation, and who has a few chances to experience fresh open air. I've worked 10 beaches so far, including Surfers Paradise, Broad Beach, Burley Heads, Kulangata Beach. I think I covered all the main beaches of Gold Coast. Now I'm waiting for the border restriction would be lifted to work other states' beaches. Next one may be Byron Bay or Bondi Beach. Oh, don't forget, subscribe and notification so you will not miss your next beach work. I've never been a beach person. Though I've living in Gold Coast almost 7 years, I've never learned surfing, or never done the sunbathing. But now, I'm deeply into beaches. I can work on the beaches with my bare feet for hours and hours. It's really therapeutic and refreshing moments. The beaches made me lift my eyes from my little screen up to the sky and birds and clouds. I wanted to kidnap your mind to somewhere free from fear, anxiety, frustration, and loneliness. 5 minutes holiday to focus on something good, something beautiful, like sparkling water and seagulls. And I believe that it'll be my little contribution to push back against the bleak and lonely time. It was how I escaped, but it was also how I engage. Thanks for listening to my story. Hope to see you on the next page. Bye bye. Ciao. The balloon. Many people ask me, why you're working with a balloon? Is there any meaning? Several days ago, I started a YouTube video. I bought a balloon for myself to cheer myself up because balloon always leaves me upbeat. It makes me feel a mood of party, celebration, and festival. To be honest, when I decided to start YouTube, I wish I had a dog, a little puppy, bubbly and springy one who can work with me. But unfortunately, I didn't have. And then I remembered my balloon. Wait a minute. Balloon is also springy and bubbly. And it turned out to be a good idea. Balloons successfully deliver the light-hearted, happy worker spirit. Most of all, everybody on the beach loved my balloon, especially puppies. Oh, don't forget, subscribe and notification so you not miss our next beach work. I worked 10 beaches so far, including Surfers Paradise, Broad Beach, Bali Heads, Rainbow Beach, Mermaid Beach, Coolangatta, Telebajra, Currumbin, Nobi. What I missed. I think I covered almost every main beaches of Gold Coast. I'm a book nerd, sticking to old style paper books. Tell the truth, books are my life. I'm writing books as my profession. 10 books have been published in Korea now. Now I'm working on my 11th. It was 2 months ago that I started to YouTube video, which was really unusual thing for me. I was the least likely person who do the YouTube thing because at the time I didn't even have the Instagram account. No Facebook, no TikToks, no Twitters, any of the kind of things. Never.
Clap.
Still, I don't surf. But now I'm deeply into beaches. I can work on the beaches with my bare feet for hours and hours now. Literally rediscover the beaches pictures took me another layer of life. They made me to lift my eyes from the little screen up to the sky, seagulls and clouds. I wanted to kidnap your mind to somewhere free from fear, anxiety, frustration, and loneliness. 5 minutes holiday to focus on something good, something beautiful. Thanks for listening to my story. See you on next page. Close up.
Maybe walk around a little, just do some movement when you talk.
I'm a book nerd. As you see in my video, I can't just get out of the door without carrying my book, especially sticking to the old style paper books. Tell the truth, the books are my life. I'm writing books as a profession. 10 books have been published in South Korea. Now I'm working on my 11th.